Hi?
Someone is complaining about you. Your
Who complain?
Yeah, the bar there, the Aura bar.
Red Street is not allowed people taking pictures and videos inside.
Not allowed.
Yeah.
Document have? Document. I want to see document.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
if you
sir.
go to the office, there are our bosses there.
Oh, our boss. Yeah, okay.
You want to go in our office?
Okay, yes. Yeah, because I want to know information. If not problem. Yeah, not problem. Okay.
Because we're not allowed taking photos and videos here because some workers here have private life. Some of their families don't know what kind of work they have.
No, let's go to office. It's interesting.
We're just respecting others.
Yeah, I respect everyone and I blur face if I need. If need, I always blur face, you know. That's why we can talk with your boss now. And I need also information, you know. Not problem, it's okay. And talk with boss first. So complain our bar. Okay. Because I don't know some information.
Yeah, you get information.
Yes. Because I need to say to another people who don't know in the new rules. That's why I will show to another people who want to come to the Philippines. New rules here, new rules.
In the office.
Yeah, no problem.
Where are you from, sir?
Russia.
Alright.
I live in Mabalakat. Maybe 1 year ago we already talked with boss in the active, but now he said new rules. That's why I want to show document.
Oh, you already talked to our boss?
Yeah, before, 1 year ago. And police station also.
1 year old. 1 year ago, we just moved here.
Yes, new here also boss of police, new chief police, already 2 chief police change. Okay, another side better, safety. But do you know some information about Red Street want to transfer to street foods street?
No, but I know that they're changing the name again.
No, changing name, but people want to, mayor of Angeles want to change transformation walking street with bars to street food street. You don't know information, okay. It's also new for me.
Yes, that's also new for That's also new for me.
Yes.
Never heard that.
Okay, guys, I already talk with active, very good talk. They try to find document and they call to me. And if have document, I will show to you this document. And you will know about new rules in Angeles City. Not in the entertainment zone Angeles City. That's why waiting new video. And now we're going to with Shira going to Clark CDC Park. And you can watch in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.